Hello viewers, welcome back to Apple Info YouTube channel. To my knowledge, Apple's best music player is iTunes Music Player, which is given by default on our iPhone. But to use it, we have to restore to computers or need a net connection. Today in this video, I will show you how to use the best offline music player on iPhone. This offline music player is called Melodista Offline Music Player. We will get this app in the App Store. First, open App Store on your iPhone. Then click on the search bar and type Melodista Music Offline Player. Hit search. Now install the app. And open it. Tap continue. Again tap continue. Now we have to add our favorite music here. Another thing we like about here is that we can play our videos in audio mode here. Now click on the icon you see above right to add music. Then we can add music from different sources here. For example, I am adding here from the Files app. Click on Files app. Now you can add the music of your choice from here. Click open in the right upper corner of the screen. When you click on the music of your choice, the music will be added to your music player. Now you will play and enjoy your music. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.